Good morning. My name is Andrew Smart and I'm an account manager at Astun Technology. Today I'm speaking to David Renn, a GIS consultant for Astun Technology, about the benefits of using iShare Insights with Power BI. David, as a consultant and trainer, you're in constant contact with GIS Teams. Can you explain how utilising iShare Insights with Power BI can benefit our clients? What's the key benefit?
Yeah, GIS is great. It can be used for so many different things. Managers and service planners can use it to plan. Service managers can use it to understand the current state of play. The challenge is to allow users to look at a subset of the data and to drill down into the detail using a range of visual representations, including maps, charts, tables, etc. It isn't easy to do all of this using traditional products such as spreadsheets or GIS alone. In my previous roles as GIS manager and planning and performance manager at a busy council, I'd have embraced iShare Insights with Power BI with open arms. For me, the main benefit is how powerful the visualization is, hence why we've called it iShare Insights. iShare Insights brings data to life, no matter how many data sets you need to analyze. It's brilliant for giving people without the expertise or specialist software the ability to analyze data more effectively. Let me give you a quick demo. If someone with limited GIS expertise wants to analyze crime data, you can give them access to a crime dashboard like this. The dashboard pulls information from multiple data sets, some of which will have a spatial representation through iShare. If they need to look at different areas of the county, for instance, they can select the district here. If they're interested in more than one district, they can select those also. Notice how the maps and the other visuals are updated in real time. If they're interested in only specific crime types, they can select those also. If they're interested only on crimes that have taken place within a specific period, they can use the slider or update the date range like so. Users can make adjustments like this time and time again without involving the GIS team or battling with a spreadsheet. Of course, that's just one example. In reality, you can use Power BI to visualize any data with a location element. I can think of uses in planning, social care, asset management, service requests, and fault reporting, to name just a few.
Up-to-date information is critical for decision making. Have clients using this found that updating the dashboard is time-consuming?
Not at all. When someone changes the source data, the iShare Insights dashboard will automatically update it, just as other users' views of iShare GIS and QGIS automatically update. It's all done seamlessly behind the scenes. You don't have to lift a finger. It's not hard to add another data set too. We'll show you how to do that in a later video. The great thing is that everybody is accessing the same definitive version of the data without the need to generate lots of copies that have to be maintained and synced.
Data sharing is essential, but can distract GIS teams from more engaging tasks. Is it possible to share a Power BI dashboard with colleagues, partners, and the public?
Yeah, absolutely. iShare Insights makes reporting easy. Users can share data by publishing the report from Power BI by clicking on the Publish button. Once done, they can access the report online and share it on social media platforms or embed it into a website. Once you've configured a report using the crime dashboard, such as a safety and security report for your social values team, they can rely on iShare Insights to automatically update dashboards and generate future reports. In a later video, we'll show you lots of examples.
So it saves time, frees up GIS teams, and makes data sharing easy. Is there anything else?
Yes, another key benefit is risk reduction, because dashboard users can change their view of the data in iShare Insights. They don't need to know where the definitive data is located or worry that they might corrupt it. It's easy to use and impossible to break. iShare Insights with Power BI gives users access to the most accurate, up-to-date information possible. Exactly what they need to make informed decisions.
Sounds great to me. How can people find out more?
Well, in other videos, we'll talk through the iShare Insights with Power BI example dashboards in more detail and show you how to use pre-styled ADS and polygon data. We're also happy to set up a demo for anyone who's interested. Simply contact us.
Thank you for your time, David, and goodbye for now.
Thank you. Goodbye.